Ladies and gentlemen, this is the condom dress. Oh, we're in. We're in. This video is made possible by Reversible. Please support my channel by liking this video and subscribing. Hello, welcome back to another segment of this vlog. I thought of doing a first impression try on video just to keep everything entertaining. Maybe entertaining for me, but not for you. But anyway, you know I love clothes, I love conceptual clothes. So right now, I have some really interesting pieces that I've acquired from the last few months, probably last year. But because I'm so busy, I'm always busy. Time is not enough. I thought of just making an easy video of me trying this on. So what I have today are clothes from Yproject. I've got some two Comme Garçons pieces, which I'm so excited to show you guys as we bid goodbye to summer. It's so exciting and thrilling to look forward to two conceptual pieces other than a cotton t-shirt and denim jeans, I think. Oh, by the way, this is my outfit today. This is from Andy Mister, Margiela for H&M, trompe-l'oeil legging pants from Margiela. I thought of just wearing this for the intro and for the sake of wearing it. And I'm not wearing shoes because we'll be trying on some clothes, we'll be switching shoes here and there. Can't wait to show you guys how it fits. Let's try on some amazing pieces and I hope it looks good. I'm gonna show you how the dress looks like on the hanger. Yes. Oop. Can't see my naked body. Sorry. It's a interesting dress, as you can see. It's made from polyamide, like a coated cotton fabric. Amazing, right? Avant Garde is all about pushing boundaries. And we all know that Reiko Okubo's narrative is all about charting the unknown territories of fashion. And here it is. Here's the dress as a perfect example. Now this is the pure, unadulterated dress. And I'm wearing some Owens boots with it just to keep it androgynous. This is just like a coated polyamide dress, so very fragile and thin. We all know that Reiko Okubo of Comme des Garçons is, you know, a futurist. And I couldn't think of a world without Reiko Okubo or Comme des Garçons. She starts from scratch, she starts from zero. She has this penchant for creating something new. Out of that intention always comes her frustration that she's still unable to create something new. But I think the more that she yearns a novel vision and the more that she thinks about it subconsciously, her works are becoming more and more out of this world. She's always exploring new territories, and this dress may not be as extreme as what we see on her runway shows. It is still a beautiful piece. So this is a t-shirt dress, and I love it because I love t-shirt. I'm a t-shirt kind of guy. It makes, you know, styling really easy. But the catch is the pattern has this extra layer, extra appendage. I love this part here because, yeah, it creates this exaggerated geometric shape. I don't know the technical terms of this. I could have done a proper research, but sorry. You can even style it like this. And by the way, I bought this from Mercury Japan, of course. I think that's the only place that you can score amazing pieces. And if I can even, like, this is like a vest or whatever. And look, baby girl. And voila, you have a trompe-l'oeil vest detail in the front. And if it's cold in the winter, I can even style it like this. And if I look like that, there's like asymmetrical style if I do the styling. I don't know if it makes sense. It doesn't have to make sense, I think. The wardrobing concept of Avant Garde is to allow the pieces to interact with each other without putting too much stress, because, you know, Avant Garde and conceptual designs may seem to be overwhelming and intimidating, but it's actually a great exercise to style them together just because it makes you think. I think Avant Garde clothes are for smart people. I'm gonna try to wear this with the Owens just to prove that this can be worn with you know, my existing pieces, existing wardrobe. And also I love that it's patent because it creates that intergalactic extraterrestrial vibe. What do you think? Rick Owens meets the Garçons. So happy. If you ever get that chance to find this kind of rare gem or something similar or something from Comme des Garçons even, just grab it. Don't even think. This is from Comme des Garçons. It was from that collection wherein she's presented this Frankenstein patches of football versus ballerina collection. It's a really sweet collection as well. Reiko Okubo is just starting to become very abstract and explosive with her designs. This one may be a simple skirt, but you know, the detail is this very abstract, very threadbare, mindfuck kind of motif. So I think that's her formula. Like she puts two and two together. She hybridizes clothing by mixing the basic and the unknown. For normal designers, usually they would put like floral motif, floral appliques, but Reiko Okubo is a crazy lady, so what we have here is a massacred football leather thingy. That's a concept of Reiko Okubo. The more explosive, the better. So excited to wear this during the fall winter season. I think I'll be able to layer this skirt with a number of my long skirts just to create that dimension. So structure-wise, this is just a normal skirt. This is just a normal pencil midi skirt, and the skirt is made of this stretchy cotton twill with padding. And mind you, I bought this from Swap. I was like thinking long and hard if I should get it, and it was like $200 at that time. But like I said before, like if you've seen a runway piece from Comme des Garçons on a good price, then just get it. And I'm really happy because it's a runway piece. And you know me, I love collecting pieces from the runway. Commercial break, guys. I know you're enjoying my try-on video. I'd like to share with you a great news. So Reversible is a new omni-channel / platform / marketplace / social media sharing app. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know by now that I mostly shop online, and I definitely believe that Reversible is something that you'd like to consider in the future. So the app is called Reversible, and it's a cool site with a feature of a marketplace like Grilled, focusing on high-end brand and luxe e-commerce like Farfetch, Essence, Matches Fashion. And if you're like me who constantly checks discounts and markdowns, this platform is going to be perfect. So Reversible has this price comparison feature. So let's try to search Rick Owens boots. Let's make it more specific, Rick boots. Okay, and then we have this bunch of Rick Owens boots. So I tried this because it's the newest one. See, there's like Julian Fashion, One and Luxury, Matches Fashion, Modes. So I'll choose Julian Fashion because it's got the lowest price. Click shop, so it'll bring you to the website, and see there's like a discount code. So Reversible aims to be a seamless platform, and on top of that, there's a social sharing app. I think what they're aiming to achieve is to build an organic fashion community through this social sharing feature. Reversible has a marketplace feature. This is something that I would like to consider in the future. Great thing about Reversible is that it doesn't have any platform fees, which is so much better. I actually started selling my stuff on the platform. Type in @karleuterio and you'll find me there. And I think you'll find a bunch of other resellers. It's a good timing as well because there's gonna be a Rick Owens OOTD event in the app, so make sure you download the app. It's Reversible, and yeah, start posting fits, start doing reviews, post your recent purchase. All in all, Reversible is a very well-rounded app that has so much potential, so please guys, support the app, and I'll see you there. I'll leave more information on the description box. Just download the app, play around, check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the condom dress from Yproject. I haven't explored Glenn Martin's. I think he has a penchant for condoms, hey. I think that's interesting. Is it interesting? This is probably one of the longest dresses I've got. Look how long it is. It goes up the ceiling. Because I love you guys, I'm gonna wear it in 2 ways. It's not the easiest dress to wear. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. Oh my god. I don't know, I'm not sure how I feel about the dress. It's beautiful. It's my first Yproject piece. So, very exciting, I guess. A first impression. It's a very soft lycra spandex jersey thingy. Very sheer, very thin. Mind you, this was from the menswear spring-summer 2019. I bought this from Mercury Japan. This is not how it was shown on the shop. It was the other way around. So if I had known that this is meant to be this way, I wouldn't have bought it. Like, no way. Because seriously, it looks like your mom's dress in the 80s. Nothing wrong with that, but that's not the story that I'm trying to tell you guys in regards of my personal style. Anyway, it's fun. This is just for fun. Yeah, if you're familiar also, I think the reference of Glenn Martens for this collection was Crystal, but he's the artist who is known for draping this large-scale architecture. I was blown away because his artistry is more of a performance art and a mix of installation. He sadly passed away 3 years ago. So I think that's the idea behind the collection of Glenn Martens. He was trying to obscure the mundane fashion pieces like a blazer, the dress, jackets, with this really thin lycra fabric. And I think that's what I love about him. His way of avant garde is from a Belgian point of view, very akin to Margiela. I think he's more Margiela than John Galliano is doing in Margiela. Anyway, this is the condom dress. It's very restrictive, it's very narrow and tight, but not in a very uncomfortable way. Like, I can still move, and because it's lycra, the skirt doesn't make you trip or fall over. I think the fabric really plays a huge role in making you move with the clothes. Okay, let me just put on some shoes. So this is the dress with the shoes and the bag and the accessories. And I think it's way, way cooler, you know, if it's styled as compared to it being just alone by itself. And I think with simplistic dresses or simplistic pieces, once you styled it properly, that's where you're able to bring it to life. So with the big bag and the big shoes, a la Yproject style, I think it dissolves that sexiness. It kind of dissipates that ultra Kim Kardashian skin tight look, which I don't really like. And I think I love how Glenn Martens uses, you know, wavy wires and very abstract shapes in his pieces. If I wear the dress in the future, I'm gonna style it like this. Perhaps with like a really chunky jewelry. Is it flattering? I don't think so, because it makes me look like I have this barrel chest. There's like a thick layer of leather bodies inside. He mixes, you know, two opposing forces of hard and soft. Very, very interesting. I think Glenn Martens is really smart. He doesn't intend the pieces that he creates to be flattering in a very mundane and contemporary way. He wanted us to be more open and to have a wider sense of style. I think I'm loving it right now. I think it will work somehow with my existing wardrobe. With a weird necklace, this would be okay. I love it. I think you can scrunch the entirety of the dress to make it look like a miniskirt. There is this manual on the tag when I bought this. It says here, it's a fitted mini dress with stretchy jersey overlayer. It can be worn with the jersey pulled down fully to turn the style into a long dress. Or it can also be worn as a mini dress by twisting the jersey layer around the waist by bringing the fabric up. Okay, I'll try it on with a shorter version. So this is styling number 2 with the shorter dress. So this is the long version, right? And then I just, you know, tuck it and kind of make it into a ball of ruche fabric. If you're a, you know, a really, really sophisticated girl or a guy, if you're into, you know, designers like Acne, Charlotte Knowles, I think this would be more you. So this is the shorts version. What do you think? Comment down below. How would you style it? Would you wear it the long way or the short way? Which one do you prefer? So I'm gonna try on the side B of this dress, if you know what I mean. So this is the other side of the dress. Like I said, it's more interesting, it's more edgy. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. Yay! Alright, this dress has exhausted all my energy. So this is side B of the condom dress. I think I like this way better. The other one was too feminine and baroque with all this ruching on the bust. It has a strong Margiela undertones in it. It's a statement piece. And also the composition of this dress. This is the polyurethane leather, the PU leather. The half part of the body is just your regular jersey knit. And then this is the inner long dress, the maxi dress, the core of the piece. I don't know how I was able to squeeze myself in it because I've got really broad shoulders and this dress has no freaking zips. It would have been so much easier if it has like a, you know, just a tiny bit of side zip. But I think that's not how Glenn Martens imagined the dress. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful dress. I'd probably wear it like this on a regular basis with my Owens vest. I know this is very safe. This is like my comfort zone. I think I have another one. I have one last item that I'm going to show you. In conclusion, this is a really complex piece with lots of layers. I think the first time I tried it on, I was like figuring it out for 20 minutes. No joke here. What the? Yeah. So tired. But I'm so happy and tired because I was able to show you guys and share with you the beauty of wearing conceptual runway pieces. So this is the next highlight of my outfit. This is the next piece, the final piece for this try-on video. So this is the undercover shorts. The shorts are entirely made from cotton fabric. This is an interesting shorts. And I think it's hitting the trend of what we're seeing right now. Everything's loving the shaggy, hairy, hyper-textured look. And I think that's the kind of look that everyone's going for lately. If I wanted the look to be super hyper-textured, then this would be the bag that I'm gonna use because I think they match. And they have the same theme, same motif. And when you're wearing things that are that has the same elements, I think you have a higher chance of having a stronger look. Maybe I'll try to wear the shorts with long boots as well. I think I've finally hit the styling for the shorts. I bought this just to create that added texture. And true to form, it does create that special texture, especially focusing on the legs. Just to break down the outfit, this is the Rick Owens boots. This shorts is meant to be worn with like long boots like this. I think Jun Takahashi made this shorts as a layerable piece. And to create that beastly mode, like this beast trend that we're seeing, I paired this with my large and in charge jacket from Rick Owens Maxidon. I'm pretty sure this is how I'm gonna wear the shorts in the future once the temperature drops. So thank you again guys for watching my video. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed, most importantly. A huge shout out to Reversible for sponsoring this video, for making this video possible. I don't know what my next video is, so if you've got any questions, suggestions, please comment down below. Make sure you subscribe because I think on the next few videos I'll be featuring more pickups. One of those will be, look at this. Look at that. Amazing. But yeah, I have a bunch of new stuff, not just from Rick Owens, but also from Andy Millimeter. I'm still in the process of editing it and conceptualizing it, so please be patient. Thank you again for your support and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, ciao.